Additional Indian troops have been deployed in the twin districts of Rajouri and Poonch in the name of curbing pro-freedom activities. Indian police have spread its agents in the villages close to the line of control to pass on information about pro-freedom activities in the districts. Drones are being used to constant watch in the mountainous areas of Rajouri and Poonch districts. Indian troops arrested 3 civilians including a woman in the Baramulla district. The troops during a cordon and search operation arrested Latif Ahmed, Shaukat Ahmed and a woman in the village area of the district. In order to justify the arrest, the troops claimed to have recovered 3 hand grenades and 30 AK-47 live rounds from their possession. India has decided to lift additional duties on several American products including fruits, which prompted the People's Democratic President Mehbooba Mufti on Monday to criticize the decision. The PDP chief urged the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to reconsider the decision. 10-member Kashmiri delegation hailing from both sides of the line of control left for Geneva to attend the 54th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council. The delegation, led by the All-Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter leader Altaf Hussain Wani, the delegation comprised political leaders, civil society members and right activists. US President Joe Biden has said that he raised the importance of respecting human rights with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he was present in India for the G20 summit in New Delhi. Biden told the reporters in Vietnamese capital that, "As I always do, I raise the importance of respecting human rights with Narendra Modi." Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has said that the BJP and RSS have nothing to do with the Hinduism and they will do anything to get power. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi was interacting with the students in France. The critiques of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi of using the Indian taxpayers' money for his promotion in the run-up to the 2024 parliamentary elections. Diplomat turned politician Mani Shankar stated that estimated cost of advertising to be over than rupees 1,000 crore. Sikhs turned up in large numbers at a Khalistan referendum event in Canada, just as the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed New Delhi's strong concern about the activities in the North American nation to his counterpart Justin Trudeau at the G20 Leaders Summit. The vote to weigh support for Khalistan was held on Sunday in the British Columbian province of Surrey at the Guru Nanak Gurdwara, where its former president Hardeep Singh Nijjar was shot dead in June.